This early, huh?
I didn't need anything.
YouTube alert right here. Cars in the Wild. I didn't know he was here, but I wonder how he does that with copyright. Hope you guys enjoy this video. This is gonna be it. A lot of drone flying, a lot of sick builds out here. It definitely was worth it to come over here. I've always wanted to come up here because I like the layout, I like the nature. It's really nice. Yeah. Comment down below what's your favorite car. Finally, they have this hood open. A lot of these cars were in Sema, so we didn't make it in Sema. A lot of them are here, which is crazy. And then a lot of these builds are also over there in Wreckfest. So if you guys haven't seen those two videos are up. But this car has been custom all the way through and through. Yes, exactly. This is what I wanted to see last time, but I couldn't. Man, they took that engine in there, though. That thing looks so sick. So we're out here, you know, flying around, doing our thing, but this thing is dope. Look at that supercharger. This is the same one from, yeah, it's all Sema stuff. Toyo tread pass, Toyo tires over there as well. So pretty cool day out though. And well, I guess that's the end for today's video, Sunday. So it's gonna be a little short video after all of this coming up. Really short, maybe like only 2 minutes long. But I stumbled across a heaven of carbon fiber. I'm just gonna say that right now. You guys will see in the next video what I stumbled across in Beverly Hills. I was just driving and all of a sudden, bam, that hit me. I was like, I gotta make a U-turn to see that. But as always, guys, stay safe and stay chill.